Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and proximity. Charge the headphones and keep them within about 3 meters of the source, because Bluetooth range and interference matter. Once powered, restart both devices to clear temporary faults and make the device forget the pairing to avoid corrupt profiles. Make sure the audio output is selected on the source, then attempt a fresh pairing. This sequence fixes most transient disconnects by resetting software states and removing distance or interference as the immediate cause. You now dig into settings. Install firmware updates on the headphones and updates on the phone or computer, because manufacturers often fix dropouts in firmware. Then make codec and power trade-offs. Choose a stable codec such as AAC or aptX when offered, and reduce aggressive battery optimization that may suspend Bluetooth. Also disable Wi-Fi coexistence or change Wi-Fi channel if both use 4 GHz as they can collide. These steps stabilize the link by improving firmware behavior and preventing the OS from. You finish by isolating hardware. Perform a factory reset on the headphones, then repair. If problems persist, test with a second device to determine whether the headphones or the original source is at fault. Consider a wired connection or an external USB Bluetooth adapter with a newer chip if the internal radio is unreliable. If disconnects continue, record when they happen, repeatable steps, and any error LEDs. This evidence is invaluable when you contact support or claim warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.